We're here.
Save the day. Right?
Oh wow, it's George. We have that new rule. If it's in no black leather couches, that's a fee. And then we have the fee if it's on the back of a truck.
Yeah.
Fee.
No back of the truck.
No back of the truck fee. Yeah. It's
The city, it's not us.
It's not us.
Well, y'all look down. It's not actually technically leather, it's fake.
Oh shit.
Nah.
Oh, she got us.
Yeah, you get this side. You get this side. Yeah.
Ah!
It is so heavy.
Yeah,
No, it's really heavy. We got this, though. We're professionals.
Professionals, ma'am.
So heavy.
So heavy.
She lied. It's so heavy.
We got something for Lexi.
And that's how you remove a couch, man.
Hey, get up there and straighten it out.
What?
Get up there and straighten it out.
Oh, okay. You get the money.
65, ma'am. Right here. We want it in the hand.
You didn't have the trophy.
Hey, you gotta strap it down with something. They catch. They catch. They have before. You fucking put something on it.
You haven't already ruined it. You ruined it. You ruined it.
Unknot it. Unknot it. Just unknot it. Stop being so fucking lazy, you piece of shit
You
bag.
just ruined it.
Mira.
It's not gonna work.
It'll hold something. Here, take it.
My bad.
Get over there. Here, take this with you. All right, I'll do that.
There you go, bro. You're welcome. You're welcome.
What in the hell's ass?
Pull it.
George, I can't pull it if this thing has a knot on the end of it.
You did it. Got my hand.
This is immature on your end. George.
$5 tip, bro. What'd you get?
No, it's my $5. It's my
Yeah.
$5.
Thank you.
Let's fight it out. Let's fight it out. It's my $5.
My $5.
My $5. She gave it to me. She gave it to me.
Bye.
Come on, dude. Hey, who's that knife?
Also, my truck.
Take this off. I'm gonna go.
Please don't. Please don't.
Let me find a noticer. Don't embarrass you.
Hey, don't.
Couch removal, $65. Done.